It's the last of the warm, calm weather for some days, so it's off to the airport. The inspections, preventative maintenance, and paperwork are all complete, free to fly, and so it shall be. Most always stop to see Terry Short, owner of Hawk Aircraft Manufacturing. He builds these things continuously. It's a short stop because I'm here to fly. Here to fly northward in ADSB airspace over Mosaic Chemical Plant en route to Zephyr Hills, Florida. Zephyr Hills, it's the home of Evolution Trikes. Larry Mednick is the owner, founder, designer, and manufacturer extraordinaire of Evolution Trikes. No one on the planet knows more about trikes than he. He is the designer and the manufacturer of the world-famous Revo trike. They're the best of the best, hands down. He has also designed the rugged, off-field capable Revolt and the ultralight Rev. Larry is passionate, precise. Larry Mednick is a fountain of knowledge, and he just can't stop himself from giving free ground school. Today is a welcome lecture on hang block physics. William eagerly joins the impromptu class as we learn from this internationally known personality. Such a deal. Then comes time for engine start, taxi, and takeoff toward home. Back in the sky, this time southward, over Plant City. The sweet grass strip of the home airport comes in view. The radio announcement is, South Lakeland traffic light sport 314 Sierra Lima is on final approach, runway 32. This is a full stop and a return to the hangars at South Lakeland. You know, sometimes it's difficult to believe that I actually get to do this. Almost unbelievable, but it's true.